Hi everyone, welcome to Home and Tech with Joe with yet another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the new Nest Cam for both indoor and outdoor. So this one right here is the battery version, which has also the option of wiring it. Wiring has its own added advantage, which means no more worries taking your camera down to recharge it. Secondly, you'll be able to record continuous video 24/7 instead of recording only when there is a trigger or an event. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. As soon as we open this box, you are greeted by this big bad boy already attached to the magnetic plate that the camera snaps right onto. Oh yes, you can hear the satisfying snap. The magnet is really strong, very strong. No wonder there is a warning for those with pacemakers or implanted devices to keep a safe distance. Okay, let's put this big bad boy out of the way and check the rest of the contents. As usual, there's no unboxing without the quick start guide and the rest of the paperwork, which nobody cares about until they get stuck. Here we've got the charging cable, USB type A on one end, and the magnetic connector that snaps right into the camera. No guesswork when it comes to charging. And we also have the power adapter, which is also included. It's definitely a plus. We all know these days chargers are now optional. And we also have this wall mounting plate. And inside the box, we've got two wall anchors. And we also have two wall screws. As expected, Google has done a tremendous job. The camera feels substantial, feels well built. It's got a very simple, minimalistic design, as what we have come to all expect of Google Nest products. The simple design just makes it easy to blend into any space and look good, if not make the space look good. The camera itself has a solid plastic build. Doesn't look cheap at all. It doesn't scream cheap. It's got this premium finish to it. And the camera houses a mic at the bottom, and that's a charging port where the magnetic connector snaps right into. And it's got a very strong magnet as well. Overall, it looks really good. And the front of it has got a plastic finish to it, matte black. And above the camera, that's where the sensors are. That's where the mic is as well. And it really looks premium. So the magnetic plate and the wall mount that comes with the camera makes it just super easy to install. It also makes it super easy to take it down when you need to recharge it. And most importantly, you can easily adjust the angle of the camera and reposition it however you want. It is by far the most adjustable camera that I've ever come across. By the way, unfortunately, its strength is also its weakness. It's easy to mount, it's easy to take down. That means it's also easy to steal, especially when you mount it in a position that is easy to reach. But don't let thieves deter you, because Google also has a replacement policy. When it's stolen, they can also replace it. But you also need to, every policy comes with terms and conditions. So you need to make sure that you also meet the criteria before you make the claim. And for those with deeper pockets, you can also purchase an optional anti-theft mount, which will give you the additional peace of mind. And just to wrap up, I might as well show you the overall look of the camera. It is indeed beautiful. It is really nice. You gotta see it to believe it. Magnetic mount there again. And the magnetic connector. There we go. That concludes the end of this unboxing video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.